At our next stop in the Access Zone, witness the incredible transformation of a traditional concealed vertical rod into a revolutionary concealed vertical cable. It's no illusion. Von Duprin's new patent-pending concealed vertical cable CVC system replaces traditional vertical rods. This new system uses proven cable technology in a whole new way, giving doors that require a vertical exit device the same strength and security in a system that installs in minutes, has a single point adjustment, and is easy to maintain. Alien technology? Perhaps. All we know is that it makes life easier for installers, architects, and anyone who walks through the door. Designed for use with Von Duprin 98/99 and 33/35A series exit devices, the CVC system provides greater security for the opening, with the streamlined aesthetics that designers, customers, and other intelligent life forms desire. One thing is for certain: exit devices will never be the same. For more information, visit the Access Zone at www.theacceszone.net or call Access Hardware Supply at 855-847-5691. They'll be waiting for you.